We found a tower to transmit your message. It's close by. Lockdown will go back to the ship and manual it, try to get your ship back to your world. And then once we get there, once it's all done, I'll finally destroy XJ9. Ah, Bumblebee. He's getting up. I almost forgot. I didn't. Let's go. Bumblebee, Jenny, Kilgore, Vea, and Tuck too. Don't forget me, Aunt Jenny. Ah, Tommy. Ah, I'm so glad to see you guys. Me too. Bumblebee? Yep. Uh, Lucky for them, I was wearing almost a power armor. They can't kill me. I'm still as stinging as a bee. Jenny! Guys? Look, Jenny. Look, we're sorry that we argued with you, but we know we couldn't be better, but we're worthless. Yeah. We know we couldn't be a team, but we like to be sisters much better. Because we are a family, and families stick together. Hope you understand. I understand, and I'm sorry that I was so hard on you. Sisters? Sisters. Oh, yeah. Alright, guys, we gotta go stop Cyclonus. Jenny, can you hear me? Optimus, you're okay. I mean, I'm okay. Good. We're about to go onto the Decepticon ship. We're planning to try to stop him from here. Once there, we will destroy the ship from the inside. Rhinox sent us a bomb for it. That company was Primal, Cheetor, Dinobot. You guys take care of the rest. Stop those Decepticons before they send the signal to anyone dangerous. Alright, Prime. Jenny out. Alright, guys. Let's go stop him. Ooh, yeah. Let's go stop him. Ah.